Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted, and it's unboxing time once again. And we would like to remind you that this is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the universe. I guarantee it because it's the only handcrafted coffee I've ever tasted. So that's factually correct. But if you're ever in Aruba, the one happy island, you're never truly happy unless you've tasted one of Kunuku Coffee Roasters handcrafted coffee, and they always have at least 4 or 5 or 6 flavors every week. So try them out. This package is coming from Malaysia once again, but this time coming from our friend Oscar. It's been a while since we've had anything coming from him. And it's Ikigai. Guys, Ikigai, guys. I missed out on the other release that they had before, but this brings us back into that nostalgic memory. I remember their bamboo cards. Very nice touch there, very natural. And look at that. Here's the thing. Sometimes I'll be honest. Okay, sometimes I don't really care as much for packages, but whenever you see something like this, it kind of makes you appreciate the brand a little bit more, and especially when it's this good, it's natural, it just brings you back to your childhood, especially when you live in the tropics, as I am in the Philippines. And it reminds me of these really nice boxes. We have these on everything, whatever. Okay, so on to the watch. So this is the new Kame, and he sent this for us to review. I haven't seen this in person, and I've seen the other design that they had, and I was really impressed with that. And here they kind of dialed it back into a more traditional design, and actually this is a pretty nice touch of purple. I didn't know that he's going to send us this purple version. It's more red than purple. But okay, let's try that. Bezel on. Ooh, okay. Is this titanium? Is this titanium? It feels like it is it? I think it's stainless. Okay. If it was titanium, it's going to be like that. But it's not that. It is heavy, so it is stainless steel. But that is a very nice an attractive purple that you can see. It's a little bit on the red side of the purple. It has a little of a fume going on, and those indexes are large, very large enough surface area for you to see and enjoy all of those facets. Very nice. I think I like this better than their original design, and they have some really good flourishes here. Okay, so this is, I know I don't normally look at the press kits before I open this up, but this one, I've seen it through osmosis, I guess, or through browsing Facebook, and this groove here, this inlay, is actually a design that hints at turtle fins, and you could actually see that. I could see that, and that very unique shape, very nice, and it looks very natural visually, because many of the curves occur naturally in the animal kingdom. Let's just say that, right? And then, look at that finishing. I actually enjoyed this. They put a lot of attention to this. Okay, this is a brush finish. This is definitely not satin finish, but that is very, very evenly applied. Let's take this off. Stick it. Voila. Okay. And there we are. That's their clasp. It's a little too big for my taste. See, it's a micro adjust right there. You can see that. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, you can't push it. So you have to press it to push. No? Okay. I'm having trouble with that. Yes. Okay. Okay. So that's the actual extent. I can't push it anymore, but I can pull it out. I assume. There you go. That's the extension. That's the extension right there, and then you can. Okay. So that kind of threw me off. That gap there. Let's put it on the wrist. Let's try it out. Of course, my wrist is tiny. As some of you have already commented, I'm fine with that. I've grown a lot ever since I started this channel. I'm not banning anyone anymore. Well, maybe until the next show, which I promised since August. But look at that. Actually, this is a very, very good looking watch. I like that chamfer. That it hints at that Omega twisting lugs, but lyre lugs. But this one has its own personality. I like it. So, like I've always said, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And the comments that you guys have in this video will make it into the video review that I will inevitably make. And I should be making it in the next few days because this will be launching at the end of this month. So wait for that video. But don't just wait. Drop your comments in this video, and the interesting ones will make it in to that video review. Again, this is the Ikigai Kame.